So today we are drafting a corset pattern, the front view. So as we mark, you first make, as you're making a basic bodice, you can check out on my videos for the basic bodice. So when you mark all the lines, the underbust, the chest line, the bust line, and all the dots, you put the dots as you're supposed to put them. So you measure the line from the bust line to the underbust. Those inches are the ones you use to make a circle. You can use a compass to make that circle, or you can press your meter on the middle point and make a circle, as you can see there. Yeah, so you make a circle as you can see. Yeah, so when you're done with our circle, what you are going to do is you are going to make that line reach to where the circle reaches. So you are going to make our dot. So I made my dot by 0.75 and 1.25 inches. So it depends on your bust. So you make that curve, that dot. Yeah, you make that dot, as you can see. After you make that dot, you also go up and you measure 1 inch on both sides, and you also make that curve up. Yeah, so you make those curves up on those lines. So we go and measure the space between our corset, our chest, and where our bra cap is going to pass. So I measured 0.75, but you can measure 0.5 depending on how heavy your bust is. So I'm going to make that curve to that point, the chest line, yeah, and then make that curve as follows. So also on this line, I'm going to, because on that line we remained with some inches, so we are going to add those inches this side. Yeah, because we could not capture the whole circle. Those remaining inches, we put them this side and we cross our curve to the bust line, then we join that line like that. Yeah, so we are going to get our meter and measure our bust, our chest, our bust, yeah, our under bust and our chest. So we are going to make, but as we are making that measurement, we add that curve. Yeah, that curve, we add it in the measurement. Yeah, so we are going to join our corset according to our measurements we had. Yeah, so when you're making that, you have to add the seam allowance, and you also have to add the dart allowance. You have to measure it when you're measuring. So that is how our corset looks like. What we are going to do is we are going to cut it out into patterns. Yeah, so that is how it will look like before joining. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.